Hi, CD. So, along with me today, as I come your way with good energies, good vibes, new tips and tricks, easy ways of sewing and achieving a perfect outcome. So, what's popping up? Hope Mother Nature is treating each and every one of you right. Hope you're taking advantage of the strawberry moon. So this is me trying to cut our pattern out. I have this already on the channel on how to draft this beautiful bustier we're seeing right now. You could kindly check that out after this video. Much thanks to our subscribers. Much time for those who have subscribed to be part of this wonderful family. If you're not a subscriber, hey girl, hey guy, what are you waiting for? Be part of this wonderful family, okay? This is the only YouTube channel, this is the only family that we make sewing simple, easy, and straight away. We make your struggles in sewing become your strengths. We give you tips and tricks. We explain into details all you need to know about what you're doing and why you're doing it. We are a family, we share ideas. We promote and elevate ourselves through this channel. We share beautiful tips, beautiful fashion ideas. If you're into anything fashion, sewing, or anything tailoring, then this is the best home for you. Be part of the family, okay? We are such a wonderful family. When you join, you never regret joining us. Kindly smash that subscribe button below and be part of the wonderful family. We're going to help you revolutionize your sewing skills, and we're going to help you level up and become that fashion designer, that seamstress, that tailor that you always dream of becoming. This is me trying to carve out an interfacing for this piece. This was actually a fabric that stretches at one side. The stretchy part is the width of this dress. So what I'm going to be doing is I need to make sure I give it an interfacing, but I won't let it be a full lining to cover up to the half length. No, I'm just giving a very short interfacing to it, and the interfacing is actually ending at the bars. Before I forget, if you have any question, if you have any style you want me to make a video on, if you have anything for me to illustrate and elaborate to you to understand better, if you have any question, any question concerning fashion, concerning tailoring, concerning sewing, I'm actually a fashion designer, okay? I'm into male garments, female garments, kids garments, like everything, okay? All round fashion designer. So if you have any questions, all your questions are welcome to this platform. If you can't ask all your questions in the comment box, then you could send me a WhatsApp message on +233 55 0909 744. Send me a WhatsApp message and I'm always available to respond and react to you. Don't hesitate, I'm always there for you. If you want me to mentor you for free, hey girl, hey guy, I'm always available, okay? It's for free. Everything is just for free. We're done with cutting the fabric pieces. So this is the skirt part of this dress piece. I actually did this from my basic skirt pattern. I did the cut and spread method on the fabric, and this was the outcome. The gathers were given and everything was on point, so I'm going to be stitching this way to secure all my gathers. And this is the back piece of the skirt. It's two. The middle part is going to be where the zipper is going to be sitting on. Okay, let's continue to doing the stitchings, and that's the most important part of the video. So these are the pieces for the front, the center front and the two side fronts. I've gone ahead to notch all the bust point. This will make everything easy for identification when I'm trying to join these pieces together. So these are they. I'm going to be joining, attaching it this way, making sure I'm securing all the pieces together before taking it to my sewing machine. Remember, I'm doing this with all the wrong side facing me. I'm going to be stitching the allowances towards the wrong side, this way and that way. These are also the interfacing. I shall also be joining them this way and that way. This is the back piece, placing the short interfacing on top of the main piece, right side facing each other, and I'll be stitching from the armpit area to the neckline into the center back, doing the same to the other piece as well. I'm done joining all the pieces together, and this was the outcome. The next thing I want to do is to notch all around my seam allowances to create a very conducive environment for all my allowances and the fabric piece to relax very well. I'm also doing that to the back piece as well. And next, what I'm going to be doing now is at the back piece. So at the back piece, I'm going to be top stitching the stitch allowances towards the lining. And for the front piece, I shall be attaching my boning on the joining allowances, ensuring that my seam doesn't appear at the facing fabric. So what I'm going to be doing is I'll flip the two allowances apart each other. I'll stitch one side of the bone to one side of the allowance and stitch the other side of the bone to the other side of the allowance. So my seam is not going to be showing at the facing part of the piece. This is me trying to attach a bra to this piece. I'm locating the bust point under the bust point, and that's where I'm going to be attaching my bra cap from. Most importantly, under my bust point, that's where I'm going to be attaching my bra cap. I will always make sure that I start attaching my bra cap from under the bust, and at the end of the bust, I'm not going to be inserting the bra cap exactly at the end of the bust. I will step up by about half of an inch. Don't go too much to 1 inch. It will be too much, okay? Half of an inch or quarter of an inch, and that's where I'm going to start attaching my bra cap from. This is going to give your customers that lifting effect at the bust area, okay? This is going to lift the bust of your customers or even yourself. So this bra cap you see right now was a DIY. It was made by me. So my customer asked me to give her a bra cap, but then she needed it to be full because she wanted to have a little bit of more boobs added to what she has already. But when I went to the market, the bra caps available were a bit flat, and I was even finding it difficult to get a size. Where I purchased my materials, I was finding it a bit difficult to get her size. So I decided to opt for a DIY. I bought the materials and I came to make this myself. In my future videos, I shall be showing you how to do exactly what you're seeing, or even better than what you're seeing right now. And this was how I was looking after attaching my bra caps. Sometimes, if you have customers that are very bursty, you are not able to get their size in the market, I'll be showing you how to make a very perfect bra caps for them. Sometimes, you are not able to get the size for your customers because their boobs are so small. I'll be coming your way again. And then another time, the bra caps out there are so flat. You need something that should add a little bit of foam, a little bit of structure to your boobs of your customers. I'll also be coming your way how to do so, how to fill up the boobs, how to fill up, how to push up, and how to alternate bra caps to get exactly what you're looking for. Stay and subscribe to the channel. I'll be coming your way with all these vibes, with all these spices, with all these juices. Right now here, I'm trying to join the upper piece of my dress to the skirt part of the dress. So this is me trying to arrange everything as I want to, and I'll take it to my sewing machine and stitch. And let's see the outcome. This was beautiful. This was giving. Alright, before I even forget, when you are dealing with stretchy fabrics, don't use interfacing, what they call hair stiff, dotted stiff, and those stuffs. Because it's stretchy fabric, whatever interfacing you are using, It should also be stretchy. Don't be using a stretchy fabric and go for interfacings that doesn't stretch. It will end up giving you trouble. All right, bye bye. See you in my next.